Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Science at Fingertips. So in the previous video, we studied about food. From where does it come from? Part 2. And now in this video, we will be continuing as part 3. And in this video, we will be studying about animals as source of food. In the previous video, we studied about plants as source of food. And in this video, we will be studying about animals as source of food. Do you know where honey comes from or how it is produced? Have you seen a beehive where so many bees keep buzzing about? So, from where does honey come from? The answer is bees collect nectar or sweet juices from flowers and convert it into honey and store it in their hive. Flowers and their nectar may be available only for a part of the year. So bees store this nectar for their use all through the year. When we find such a beehive, we collect the food stored by the bees as honey. So have you understood? This honey is prepared from nectar or sweet juices of the flowers, which is collected by the honeybees and stored in their beehive as honey, which is a food for bees throughout the year. So in the picture you can easily see honeybee and its beehive. Do you have cattle or a pet that you take care of? A dog, cat, buffalo, or a goat? You will then surely be aware of the food the animal eats. What about other animals? Have you ever observed what a squirrel, pigeon, lizard, or a small insect may be eating as their food? So different animals eat different kinds of foods. For example, buffaloes eat oil cake, grass, hay, and grains. Lions eat other animals, and bears eat both plants and animals. So different animals eating different kinds of food. Animals are broadly classified into 3 types: herbivores, carnivores, omnivores, based on their eating habits. So first one is, what are herbivores? Herbivores are animals that eat only plants or plant products. They feed on grass, leaves, fruits, flowers, and grains. These animals have a special teeth to chew tough plant materials. Examples: cow, goat, buffalo, deer, rabbit, and pigeon. So in this way, herbivores are the plant-eating animals. What are carnivores? Carnivores are animals that eat the flesh of other animals. They are usually hunters or predators with sharp teeth and claws. Their bodies are designed to chase, catch, and eat other animals. Examples: lion, tiger, cat, lizard, eagle. So in this way, carnivores are the flesh-eating animals. Now what are omnivores? Omnivores are animals that eat both plants and animals. They can survive on a wide variety of food. Their teeth are a mix. Some for tearing meat and some for chewing plants. For examples, human beings, dogs, bears, crows, cats. So omnivores are the animals which can eat both plants and animals. And their teeth are a mix which can eat both plants and animals. So human beings, dogs, bears are some examples of omnivores. Animals provide us food. Many animals are important sources of food for us. Some animal products are milk. We get milk from cows, buffaloes, and goats. Dairy products. Milk is used to make paneer, butter, cheese, curd, and ghee. Meat. Animals like goats, chickens, and fish give us meat. Eggs. Hens and ducks lay eggs which we eat. Honey. Bees make honey, the only insect that gives us food. So in this way, we get different kinds of food products from animals. Here is a caution for you. Do not try to taste unknown plants around you to see if they are edible, because some plants could be poisonous and they may harm you. So conclusion is, we know that there are many among us who do not get sufficient food. We need to find ways by which more food can be produced in the country. That will not be enough. We will need to find ways to ensure that this food is made easily available to each one of us. Means everyone of us should get sufficient amount of food to eat. So here we end our lesson. The food, from where does it come from? So any doubts, any questions, please post a comment, and see you in the next video with new lesson. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Share and subscribe the channel. Thank you. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.